Let's go to new assembly and then click on add-ins, select toolboxes, check, okay. Go to design library, go to toolbox, inside toolbox ANSI matrix, even you can expand here or you can go here, then go to power transmission, then go to gears, then go to spur gear, drag and drop spur gear, get a gear, you have module, select module, number of teeth, pressure angle, phase width, everything as shown in this 0.5 module, 30 teeth, 20 degrees, 3.2 phase width, and one type A is this, type B is this. So first let us focus on one configuration and click OK. Let's rename this, let's save this file, like open part and save our file as copy, and I'm saving it in lab 1 gear underscore A, gear A, close the original and zero. Next go to my assembly and right click, delete. Now you have, also go to again window, gear A, create another file, save as gear B. You have two gears now, and then you can always open gear A. You have gear A and gear B for now. Let's focus on gear A. Right click, go to assembly, insert component, existing part. You want both gear A and gear B. Click control and select both of them, place here, both are placed. So let's focus on one first gear. Right click, edit toolbox components, and then you have all the modules to do. We don't have to change anything in type 1, so let's keep as it is. We don't have 2.2 diameter as of now, we just have 2 as a diameter, so we'll just keep it as 2 for now, and then let's focus on further operations. Right click, open part. The part is always open, so it shows you this part. Now go to sketch, select, then gear A sheet has this of length 30. So you can always create a slot, but I prefer rectangle now. For now, you can do any rectangle, center rectangle, or like this, that, anything, but I prefer this for now. Randomly I kept the rectangle, then giving it smart dimensions. I can't select a point here, so I'm selecting the edge of this bore, and then this point, it will be 30. So to move this aside, click control and mouse middle button, click simultaneously and drag. We have 30, and then gives this dimension as 2.8 times 2, 2.8 2, 5. Okay, and then again this is not in the center, so we can, if you don't have the constraint options, we'll select the center of the circle and this line, and we'll give 2.8, which is half of 5.6. It will give us a center. And now let's move this point a little bit towards the right, so it does not intersect with the circle. Again, select the circle center point, give it 2, then click OK. Then you have center point arc. If you hover over the line, you'll get a center point. Click that point, drag and click one edge and create a circle or create an arc or create a circle. It's easier for now. Create that circle, then you have it dimensioned everything. Click exit sketch, go to features, you want to add, so extrude, select the entities you want to add, but you want to add it in opposite direction. Click blind, opposite direction, and up to surface, up to this surface, click OK. You can also use blind and give 3.2 as the dimension. You'll get this kind of slot in your gear. And let's go to isometric view. So we have our gear. What we want is, we want this part now, which is 8 mm in diameter. So we'll extrude that. You can do I think this is the top plane. So I'm using this surface as top. So I'll sketch on that top surface. Select sketch, select the surface, then click on circle, center point, 8 mm, smart dimensions, 8 mm, diameter 8 mm, diameter 8 mm. That is what I want to extrude for now. So just click exit and then give features, extrude, and select the sketch, select extrude, then select blind up to 2 mm from the top. So we are already on the top, so we just want 2 mm here. Click OK. You have the cut. Now we just have to cut everything. This is cut and this is cut. This is 2.2, this is 3.2, and this is 5. At first I will just cut this entity. Select sketch, select sketch, select here on top. This is 5, smart dimensions 5, keep it 5, exit sketch, features, extruded cut, up to surface. I want up to this surface. This is cutting up to that surface. Click OK, done. You can see the hole here. But I also want to change the hole diameter, because the hole diameter is 2, but I need it to be 2.2 mm. So just go to sketch again, select the sketch, but this time you can select this top surface as well or bottom surface. I'll just select top surface because it's visible to me. Click that circle and create a small circle here which will be 2.2 mm, and create another circle here which will be 3.2 mm. And 2.2 mm. So everything is blacked out, so click exit. Features, your sketch is selected. Extrude cut up to surface, up to this surface. It's cutting up to this surface. So let's cut. So now we are getting this error, but for now I will just remove this, and let's save this part. Save as copy. Go to lab 1, gear A, save, gear A underscore. This is gear A for me. Close the original and keep it. Now go to assembly. This has changed, so it's showing spur gear arm again. I don't want it like that, so I'll delete it. I don't want it. I'll just insert component, existing part. It's this part, so just drag and drop it here. I have this ready. So now gear A is done. Let's focus on gear B. Gear B is the same, but both have the same diameter, and the only thing changes is this 7 mm and the height. So let's focus on gear B. Let's go to gear B, then again same steps. Select sketch, select surface, then select the rectangle tool, center rectangle tool, and marking center, and then give smart dimensions, this one, and the surface will be 30. Again this and this will be 2. It's my assumption, you can change it whatever you want, just to make sure this is not coinciding with that line. And what's left? Midpoint, this point, and this should be in the middle. Just keep it 2.8, and then again let's give this and this length as 5.6. it's the same length. Control and drag to move it aside, and create a circle, hover around here, circle, done. Click exit. You have your bevel gear, upper gear, and click extrude. You want to extrude in different direction, blind, up to surface. Want it up to here. What's happening? I have the sketch, I have the cross extrude. I want it in opposite direction. I don't want direction 2. This thing, everything select first, and then select surface, then select this. I got to know what was the error. I'll do it. Select the sketch, select extrude, in selected contours I have to select this, and this, because we did 2 different entities, so it is not considering all as one. We just have to select all the sketches, then change the direction, change it up to surface, this surface, click OK. You have your slot, and then click on isometric view. I am keeping this as top, so let me sketch again. Use a circle, use a center point, 7 mm diameter, 7 mm diameter, escape, exit, then features, extrude, about, it's 5.65. So I'm getting it blind, 5.65. Click OK. Then you have through hole 3.2. Then this is also 3.2. So we will just use this base to sketch again. Sketch this here. Even if it's rotating to a different side, it's fine. Smart dimension 3.2. Click exit. That is diameter 3.2, diameter 3.2. So let's go back. 3.2 here. I want it again in that direction. So click linear pattern, go to this one and select, and we have it in right direction. We don't want it in left direction, so change the direction, change this to 30 and click enter and OK. Just give the dimension as 30 here again, just to make sure, and click OK. Then you have the sets 3 selected, features, extruded cut, up to surface, with this surface, click OK. You are done, and you have this mate reference. Delete it for now, delete it. OK, file, save. You are done with this. Go to assembly, then change. You have gear B and gear A. You have your parts. Make sure you save each part correctly. Gear A is saved and gear B is also saved, so that it will reflect in your folder. Gear A what I did now, and gear B what I did now is here. So both the gears are done. Yep.